guys, and this is my video about the mathematics in the modern world. Today we tackle about the patterns and numbers in nature. But before that, what is mathematics for you? So what is mathematics for me? Mathematics is the study of the relationships among numbers, quantities, and shapes. Mathematics enhances our critical thinking skills, reasoning, spatial thinking, and creativity. And also mathematics helps organize patterns and regularities in the world. Why is math important? Things that you wouldn't expect to bear in a relation to math do in fact come down to underlying need for mathematics and the structures it brings to our everyday life. Just like take shopping, cooking, buying a property, doing DIY, traveling, playing video games, driving, and telling the time. For instance, none of this would be possible without the assistance of mathematics. What special patterns can you see in our nature? Guys, there are so many patterns in mathematics. But first, what is the definition of patterns? So patterns, all around us, we see a great diversity of living things from the microscopic to the gigantic. From the simple to the complex, from bright color to dull ones. One of the most intriguing things we see in nature is patterns. So types of patterns. We have first is symmetry. Symmetry is identical in both halves when folded. Next is spiral. Spiral means curved patterns focuses on a certain point, series of circular shapes that revolve around it. Next is fractals. What is fractals? Fractals means built from simple repeated shape that are reduced in size when repeated. Last is tessellations. What is tessellations? Tessellations means are created with identical shapes which fit together with no gaps. Math is the hidden secret to understanding world. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and listening to my video about the mathematics in the modern world, pattern in nature. Our life is like a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives.